Welcome to our review of the DJI Mavic 3 Classic drone. This drone is designed for professionals who demand top-of-the-line imaging performance safety features and flight capabilities. With its 4x3 CMOS Hasselblad Camera 5.1K HD video recording and 46 minutes of flight time, the Mavic 3 Classic is an exceptional choice for aerial photography and videography. In this video, we will go through the features, advantages, and drawbacks of the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. We will also discuss its design performance and overall value for money. By the end of this review, you'll have a better understanding of whether the Mavic 3 Classic is the right drone for you. The drone has a maximum flight time of 46 minutes, which is one of the longest in the DJI lineup. The Mavic 3 Classic is also compatible with Mavic 3 series batteries, which can provide up to 40 minutes of hovering time. The drone is equipped with advanced safety features, including omnidirectional obstacle sensing with APS 5.0. The drone has a maximum flight time of 46 minutes, which is one of the longest in the DJI lineup. The Mavic 3 Classic is also compatible with Mavic 3 series batteries, which can provide up to 40 minutes of hovering time. The drone is equipped with advanced safety features, including omnidirectional obstacle sensing with APS 5.0. This allows the drone to detect obstacles in all directions and smoothly avoid them during flight, making it exceptionally safe to fly. The drone also has a 15K HD video transmission range, which allows for stable signal and crystal clear 1080p/60 fps feed. The Mavic 3 Classic has an advanced RTH, return to home feature, which calculates and executes an optimized route back to the set home point. This gives pilots greater peace of mind and ensures the drone can safely return home in case of low battery or signal loss. Design and performance. The Mavic 3 Classic has a sleek and professional design with a gray color scheme and foldable arms that make it easy to transport. The drone weighs just 895 grams, making it highly portable. The DJI RC remote controller comes with a built-in 5.5-inch HD display that is pre-installed with the DJI Fly app. The display provides crisp and clear viewing, even in direct sunlight, which is essential for outdoor use. The Mavic 3 Classic has a waypoint flight function, which allows the drone to automatically fly and precisely repeat flight routes along pre-selected aerial points. This feature is perfect for professionals who need to capture shots from specific angles or heights. Value for money. At a price of $1,749,
the DJI Mavic 3 Classic is an expensive drone. However, compared to other high-end drones such as the Mavic 3 and Mavic 3 Cine, the Mavic 3 Classic offers a lower price point without sacrificing much in terms of features and capabilities. It's important to note that the Mavic 3 Classic is not aimed at beginners and is more suitable for professional photographers and videographers who demand top-notch imaging performance and safety features. Pros: excellent image quality with 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad Camera, up to 5.1K video capture, advanced safety features including omnidirectional obstacle sensing with APS 5.0, 15 km HD video transmission range, advanced RTH feature for greater peace of mind, waypoint flight function for automated and precise flight routes. Cons: expensive despite being priced lower than Mavic. If you are enjoying our videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel.